In today's video, I'll teach you how to manage subscriptions on Target. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in target.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Target. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So you might have subscribed to the Target plans. If you want to manage Target subscriptions, what you have to do is simply look right over here. Right over here, you'll be able to see the account icon. Also, you'll be able to see your name. Simply click on it. Now, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this section for circle. All of the Target plans will be displayed over here. For example, I'm the member of Target Circle. Likewise, if you're the member of Target Circle card or Target 360, you'll be able to see member written over there. So what you have to do is simply click on the plan that you would like to manage. Now you'll be led to the interface of that particular Target subscription. Over here, you'll also be able to see the subscription status. Right now, I haven't subscribed to Target Circle card, but if you have subscribed to it, you'll be able to find two options in order to manage it. You can either unsubscribe it, or you can also manage the renew method of the Target subscription. So you can simply click on any of the option and simply manage your subscription. So like this, you'll be able to manage the Target subscription. So that is how you manage subscription on Target. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.